Hey guys, South Carolina Outdoor Adventure TV here with a little maintenance tip for you that many people forget about, and that is to clean your dock ropes and your anchor lines. Cleaning your anchor lines and your dock lines is a very important maintenance step for your boat, and it's probably one of the most overlooked steps, because number one, you don't want your dock lines or your anchor lines to wear out because they're no good to you. And as you can see, when the lines get brittle, and then they can break, as you can see here. So what I do is take a 5-gallon bucket, fill it up with water and some kind of soap. Usually I use Dawn dish detergent, but right now I'm using the Star Bright boat wash, which is biodegradable. And I just simply take the lines and drop them in the bucket. And let them soak. Because what happens is you don't want to let dirt build up in between the fibers of the rope, or it'll wear out from the inside out. And we'll go get the dock line. So then after the lines have been sitting in the bucket for about 25 minutes or so, and you constantly just agitate them like it would in a washing machine. You would agitate the lines like that, just to keep them moving and let the soap and stuff get into the fibers. So after they've been soaking for about 25 minutes or so, then it's time for the rinse cycle. So you simply just dump the water out, without dumping the ropes on the ground and picking up new dirt. But then you're going to fill up the bucket again and rinse all the soap out of the fibers of that line. And you could get in here and you could agitate the lines again in the clean water. Now you'll see this one here, it's black. It didn't really get clean. That's more stain than anything. It's not really that big of a deal. The lines are going to get stained. They're not going to be perfectly white. But the biggest thing is you want to get the rocks and the imperfections out of the fibers on the inside, because that's what wears your ropes out. So I do these now. You just really making sure that you're getting the soap out of the fibers of the rope is all we're doing. And you can let them soak for a little bit. So then once you get to that step, you just take your lines out of the bucket, like so, and try to get all the junk off of them. And this is the dock line, which is tangled up. Hopefully not too bad. There we go. And I just dump it a little bit. You can squeeze them out if you want to, but with my dock lines, I just hang them on the, I have an old clothesline here, and I just hang them on the clothesline and let them air dry that way, because they're short. Man, my neighbor's over there cutting this grass. And that's how I do my dock lines. Now, the anchor lines are a little different story. Now that they're clean, they're nice and supple. So I'll take those and put them on the deck of the boat and just coil them up so that they get nice and so they have room to sit out and dry. And as you can see, there's a nice coil right here of the lines on the bow of the boat. Anchors right there, and we're just going to leave it out here and let the sun and the heat of the day dry the lines. So we thank you for watching this video, and if you like our video, please subscribe. Hey guys, if you like this video, make sure that you check out the recommended video above. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Come on, hit the button. You know you want to.